The create from CAD command lets you create Trimble Business Center point objects from CAD objects. So an example might be that you brought in a CAD file and you have these points, but these points are actually just lines that intersect and they have some text values. Now these lines also have some properties that are three-dimensional, so it does have elevation on them. So what I want to do is I want to set a point, or a CAD point, or a Trimble Business Center point at the intersection of these lines. So on the CAD tab, you have the create from CAD command, and you can select the objects. So one of the things you can do here is you can either select by layer. I can pick the line, but I want to select all of them. So I can right click and use the select similar command if I used it recently, or you can go to the options here and select similar, and that will select all these objects of this type. So I can go ahead and click apply, and it selects all of those. Now I'll click OK, and now I have 382 objects selected. Now I want to set the point at the intersection, so you choose where you want to put the point. So if this was a line, I could put it at the end of the lines or the middle of the line. I could put it at the segment ends, arc or circle center, CAD point, intersection or insertion point, intersection point, or a centroid of a closed line. So if you did add CAD points, you could use this one, but these are intersections. So I'm going to choose intersection, and you put a starting number, you put a layer, and you put a code if you want to put a code on it. And then when I click apply, what's going to happen is now I have Trimble Business Center points at all these locations.